Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use starred messages on WhatsApp. So starred messages is an option or a way for you to save messages or save special messages in a conversation. I will show you how. We go to WhatsApp. For example, I will go to this conversation and I will long press on any message, for example this one, and as you can see there is an option that appeared that called star. I click on it. After that, when I want to find this or multiple starred messages in one conversation, I go and click on the picture of that person, and as you can see there is an option called starred. I click on it, and as you can see here you will find the starred messages easily. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.